Introducing the power-packed Rhino CS188SB 13 horsepower horizontal shaft gas engine, brought to you by Carroll Motor Company. With its 389cc engine rating, this engine is built to provide unparalleled performance and reliability. Designed specifically for hydraulic pumps, power washers, pressure washers, air compressors, go-karts, sawmills, tractors, golf carts, log splitters, and a wide range of commercial, residential, and industrial machinery, the Rhino CS188SB is the ultimate workhorse. With a 1-inch output shaft, it's also an ideal replacement for many small engine brands. Featuring a 4-stroke OHV single-cylinder design, this engine delivers exceptional power and efficiency, allowing you to tackle any task with ease. Whether you're in need of reliable power for your commercial operations or looking to enhance your residential machinery, the Rhino CS188SB has got you covered. Equipped with a recoil start, this engine ensures a hassle-free start and guarantees that you're always ready to take on the day. No more wasted time and effort, just pure performance and productivity. So don't settle for anything less than the best. Choose the Rhino CS188SB 13 horsepower horizontal shaft gas engine from Carroll Motor Company and experience the true power of innovation and excellence. Get yours today and power up your machinery like never before. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For full stock listings, visit carrollstream.com by clicking on the link below. If you have any questions or wish to place an order, give us a call at 888-208-2088 and talk to one of our knowledgeable professionals. Together, we can get your engines revving.